chain just came through. Okay, you see that right there? That's called BBs. BBs with the PPs. Okay? You put the PPs right there on the chair like that. Those are BBs, okay? The BBs play like diamonds. Okay? Okay, we're gonna hit him in the head with this one. Biggity bow bow. Open that bag up like that there. You see that? That's real ice. Bling bow, grandma. Grandma, bling blow bow bow. Only language I speak is blingity blah blah. You put the chain in the thing like that there. Put the chain around your neck.
So what does that make you?
What?
That makes you talking about that?
Grandma, this is a $500,000 chain, Grandma.
I don't give a damn what it is. Then you goes for $2.
$2?
Right.
You cannot get this at no Family Dollar store, Grandma. You stop playing with me now.
I ain't saying you get that no $500 stuff.
I gotta learn how to put this on now. All right.
Make sure you wash your hands when you go in that pizza.
I'm gonna wash my hands, Grandma, because I know. We knows. Hold on. I'm having difficulties with the chisane. Put that in like that right there. Boom. Lock the size of that bad boy. That's only if you know what you're doing. Boom. There you go. There you go. It's Pkilla Musik on the chain.